Oh.
My name is Engineer Crispin Ortiz Bartolome, 48 years old, married and a resident of Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. I have been in the engineering, design, and construction for almost 25 years, and I am present project manager of Vector Construction. Each civil engineers have been named as builder of the nation. The construction of numerous engineering structures are vital to propel the gear of economic growth. Such engineering structures like ports and harbors, high-rise buildings, large engineering projects, commercial and industrial sites, water supply and engineering structures, irrigation canals, dams, and other engineering structures ay ang ginagampanan ng mga civil engineers. Kapag ang isang bansa ay mayroong isang maayos na mga pasilidades katulad na aking mga nabanggit, ang bansang ito ay magkakaroon ng maayos, paunlad na ekonomiya. At iyan ang nagagawa ng mga civil engineers upang magkaroon ng isang bansa ng mga ganitong uri ng mga pasilidad. At masasabi ko rin na based on my experience, a civil engineer must acquire excellent mathematical and analytic ability, computer literacy, and good judgment based from his experience. Kapag meron kang mga skills na ganito, you can make a fair and just judgment in every engineering situation na kung saan ay na-involve ang civil engineering works. I would say also that or I would consider that civil engineering profession or engineering profession is the best in the world, because professionally wise, marami kang mapagpipilian sa field of engineering. Marami expertises. Like for example, you can go to academe, research and development, design and construction, consultancy, appraisal, and many allied engineering services na kung saan ang iyong mga skills na ito, mga kaalaman ito magagamit mo hindi lamang sa Pilipinas, especially sa mga foreign countries, lalo na sa Middle East. Marami tayong mga engineers na nakapalaot sa mga bansang ito na hinahangaan hindi lamang ng mga kapwa Pilipino, lalo't higit ang mga foreigners, sapagkat ang Pilipino daw, bukod sa matsagana, madaling matuto, magaling pang makasama. At dyan, masasabi ko na ang mga engineers ay talagang napakainam na profesyon. Yan lamang po, at thank you very much.